It ain't no thing to do my thing. It's
Yeah, you guys at the river. So how's it?
And it's okay to do your thing, but just don't do the most.
We was
Put my friends in that old Benz and took that to the coast.
we were looking for some coins. We found some modern coins like that. Look how dry the river is. Still in drought like that. And when we were driving here, my neighbor was raking her grass with the water, with her water hose. How's that, huh? Sick, yeah.
No rehearse, need no reverb. Hold your lip, don't say 3 words. Quick trip to get that lick. Brought tree fur if you prefer. Quick ride, no time, I'm in there. She clockwise, real good skincare. No TikTok for that.
Huh?
I just found one coin. I just found another coin. I found this one. I found this one. I found this one right by that tree. Alright, yeah. And then look, get another one right there. Come.
Where'd it go?
Right there. That look like one dime one. It's kind of small, yeah. It's blurry, look. Try to find it. We just found this one. It's on dime, huh? Modern coins, probably not that old. Let's see. We're just searching by one old river over here. Come on, let me see.
It's a dime.
Yeah, I know. Regular dime, huh?
I don't know.
Oh! Oh! We just found one coin right here.
Dime.
We're not a dime. What I see?
2000 something. 2000 something.
2000 something. One more dime.
It's 2000. It's 2001 to 2009. Or 2000 to 2000.
Hold the camera. Ooh, that thing not even on. Oh, that's some coin.
How much?
Small, right there.
Quarter.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Quarter.
Can you hold this?
Wait. Yeah, we just found these coins. They're all modern coins. 1 quarter.
Oh, that was
1997. 2 dimes. 2000, and then the other one is too old to tell. We will clean them up when we go home. And then 1 penny. I think it's on regular penny. It's not 1 wheat because I can see like the building in the back. Yeah. Not bad. Just fucking around. I thought we would have more meadows in this river, but no more. All glass. It's like no beeps at all. All in this sand stuff, no beeps.